Two questions I'll answer. Does every guru go through religious persecution? First thing I want you to know. Do not go to a guru who has not gone through religious persecution. I tell you, any guru who is an authentic enlightened master will have a unique integrity and strength which cannot be tolerated by collective negativity of an ignorance and the collective unconsciousness. They will try to persecute him. See, an unconscious man who possesses even 10 rupees he has, who is greedy of money, cannot even understand, I am not attached to this gold Rudraksha or this golden throne. He cannot understand. I am not bothered about all this. I am just, this all it is there, and of course I want all of you to know it's not golden throne. It's copper throne, gold painted or gold color painted. Anyhow. He cannot understand. Naturally, because of his greed, he thinks I am also greedy, and he cannot tolerate the jealous. Wow, why is he having all this? It's a byproduct of what I am contributing to the world. But they cannot tolerate. They cannot tolerate. They cannot have even their own spouse to trust them. But here I have millions of people trusting me, respecting me, worshipping me. Millions of people worshipping me, trusting me. Every day, even after all this persecution, at this moment, at least 10,000 people are sitting around the world every day and worshipping my feet. At this moment, 598 places in 202 cities, in 26 countries, people are sitting with us. They understand and they can't tolerate. So what to do? Try to persecute. And I wanted all of you to know the day police has organized and bought a drunkard and threw shoes on me, on that very day every year we will conduct at least 10,000 Paduka Pujas at a time all over the world. And our devotees have decided this time on the same day we will create a Guinness record doing a same ritual all over the world in largest number. On that exact same day, and the exact same time, to commemorate, or I can say to observe that painful memory, on that same day, we will do the Paduka Puja all over the world and create a Guinness record. This will be the record, same ritual conducted all over the world at a time, in the largest number. First thing. Second, that day we will distribute artificial limbs to as many handicapped poor people as possible and create a Guinness record. Through our spiritual strength and social service, we will stand against the police atrocity. Same way, in every step, through our spiritual strength and social service, we will stand the police atrocities. See, when a man comes out and does so much good, the collective negativity cannot tolerate. It will persecute. Understand? If somebody is not persecuted, he has compromised with enlightenment. He doesn't have that integrity, that strength. So I tell you, Don't go to a guru who is not persecuted. Persecution is being persecuted is one of the basic scale to find out whether somebody is a real guru or not. That's the truth. That is the truth. Gurus go through religious persecution because of the honest, truthful contribution they give it to the world.